Going. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start this motor up. I've gone through everything. I've checked it. I want this thing to light off before it does half a rotation, but I was missing my degree wheel, my dial indicator, and all of the things needed to do that. So this is basically my best guess at the static timing. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some fuel in it. About 6 pounds. I'm going to enable water pump. First fan. I'll leave the second fan out because it's manual. And now we're going to do ignition. I already checked the carburetor. We do have fuel going into the carb, and now we're going to try to start it. Hungry for some gas. Hasn't had any for 14 years. Shut it off.